Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to download and install the Rumble app on your Android. Firstly, after you unlock your phone, head directly to the Play Store app. Open it and go to the search bar. There, just type Rumble, then hit the search button. Once the search results appear, just click on the official Rumble app you'll see on the app list that appeared when you searched it. After that, just hit the install button and the download will begin. Just give it some time since it takes some time depending on your internet connection. And when it's done, just open the application and sign up or log into your account and you will be ready to use the Rumble app on your Android device. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.